Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that if you're returning. How are you today? I hope every day is wonderful for you as it is for me. And let's get into this video. This video is pretty much going to be an eye-opener for a lot of us. Some of us know this is happening and coming, and some of us are going to be like, okay, it's going to be one of those. And it's the 12 warning signs that a collapse is near. Okay. Hang on a minute. I had to let my cat in the room. She was going nuts. Okay. The first one would be, and we're already starting to see this on some type of scale. Okay. It's large-scale blackouts, whether they're an accident or on purpose. It could be a ploy to control resources and the population. All right. The second one are local businesses closing. Yeah, we are seeing this on a very large scale. And the only stores that are left are like the big corporate chains, franchises, Walmart, Target, okay, that type of thing. All right. Number three, martial law is declared. I know, I said it, I know, but listen, this could be a possibility. And you don't want to have blinders on and say, no, it's not going to happen. You don't ever want to say, you don't ever want to be like that, okay? Because anything is possible, especially now. Anything is possible. And when this happens, it's not just going to be like one or two cities, okay? It's going to be when it encompasses like huge sprawling metro areas, okay? Or like entire areas of the US, okay? Like when I say metro area, I'm talking like New York City, Philly, Atlantic City, Tampa, Miami, Atlanta, okay? When I say metro, I'm talking metro, all right? Now, the next one, grocery stores are dangerous to go in. And I'm not talking like they're like the Wild Wild West or anything like people. Okay, I'm not saying anything like that. You're going to notice that like store shelves aren't as well stocked. Or it's like you have to defend yourself to a certain extent when you go to a grocery store because people are fighting over what's left. Like, remember last year with the TP? And people were fighting because one woman had like 15 things of toilet paper in her cart and they're going, can I just have one? That's what I'm saying. And people were literally fighting it out in the grocery store because this woman had 15 packs of toilet paper. And what the hell do you need all that for? Okay, this is what I'm saying. Okay, that's what I'm referring to. All right. Now, the next one, number 5, is the rich and the elite are literally hiding out. Okay, because you know how they always have something to say. All right. So, okay. You won't see their faces on TV saying, everything's going to be fine. We're fine. You're fine. I'm all right. You're all right. You're not going to see that anymore. Because they know what's coming. So they've already jumped ship. Okay. They're not going to be speaking their minds and giving their opinions on anything. So when you see that to start to happen, okay. Number 6, travel restrictions are put in place. This has already happened. Okay. When the government will do whatever they can to put limits on people's movement. Okay. And I'm not just talking out of country. I'm talking state to state. All right. Now, number 7 is regular rioting against the government. Now, make sure your home is ready for this. Okay. And when I say make sure your home is ready for this, I mean batten down the hatches, kids. If you got the hurricane shutters, put those down, lock them down. I mean, I'm serious, because this is when the shtf is really going to hit the fan. And I'm not playing, and I'm not trying to be funny, because I know some people laugh because I laugh and stuff like that sometimes. Listen, people will riot literally over food shortages. We've seen it. Gas shortages, electricity restrictions, water rationing. I did a video on protecting your home from burglars. And I said those burglars, they're not looking for jewelry or drugs or money. They're looking for food. All right? This is what I was talking about. This is what's going to happen. So when I say prepare your home, please do. Okay, that's what we're doing. That's why we have an alarm system now. You saw me put up the more motion detector lights. Okay. I know, that an alarm system can be pricey. But that's why we went with the company that we went with, because they're not as pricey and the product is good. Okay. And I showed you the motion detector lights because it's not something that you have to worry about hiring an electrician who's going to charge you $125 an hour to come out and install motion detector lights. No, you go, you buy a light for $20, you buy some D-cell or C-cell batteries, you put it on a tree. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? These are the things that I'm talking about. Now, number 8. Medicine is in short supply. And I'm not just talking prescriptions. I'm also talking OTC. Okay? They may be in short supply. Meds will only be given to those who have a means of bartering. Pharmacies will be looted. Medications will be a hot commodity on the black market. Angel Face, what are you doing? Yeah. Number 9. What? Bank holidays are more frequent. Banks will be closing their doors because they won't have the funds to pay their tellers. And when the accounts are drying up and the loans are defaulted on, okay, if there's no money, guess what? There's no more banks. All right. Number 10, credit and debit cards don't work anymore. When the banks are broke, guess what? You're broke. Number 11, police confiscating guns. This is never a good sign. If this happens, they want to be the ones holding all the firepower. Okay? I want you to keep this in the back of your head. There could be an order to hand over all the weapons. Or, if you don't, imprisonment. All right, these, I know that it could be scary, but listen. Number 12. Government agents confiscating resources. A law that allows them to do this was signed a few years ago. If the government wants what you have, they will take it, including your home and your land. Not every warning sign will be obvious. That's why I always say, eyes and ears open, know what's going on around you, okay? Pay attention to what's really going on. MSM is not going to tell you the truth. Do I watch the news? Every once in a while. When I want to know what the weather's doing. All right. But other than that, no. Sometimes I'll watch it to see what kind of diversions they're going to try and put in our path to make us not want to see what's really going on over here. Like Tucker tried to put UFOs in our face. Come on. UFO. Hell out of here. All right. But anyway, I'm out of here. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive. Keep prepping.